Just got some seat covers, the Saddle Blanket series. I like these. They got that Baja look to them, and they match everything nice and minimal. But the universal fit is not that universal. You got to do a few things here. As you can see, it fits like this, but my armrest had to get taken out. And here's the issue. So if the armrest is here, this won't pull over. So just had to pull that out. Pull this guy down. And pull this part in the back all the way through in the back here. So it's nice and taut. And it fits good. I like that look. It's nice and clean. I only wish it would cover this nastiness here, but it's good enough. So now I got to put a hole in here in order to put this back up. And I guess my next purchase is going to be a cover for this. Something black. It's all dirty. But I'm going to poke a hole in here and then reinstall the armrest. That should be suffice. I had to use one of these Torx sockets to get it out. A T50. I don't have the fabric cleaner I could just spray on, let it soak and scrub out the stains for right now, so I'll have to order some of that stuff. There you go, like a glove. It's better than the original. Who knows how many times this guy was farting in here. So we got the new Baja seat covers. And I got a nice fatty steering wheel cover too. This steering wheel, as much as I cleaned it, it was grimy, still grimy. But I like this. It's got a bigger grip too. For my masculine hands. Yeah, maybe if I just keep tucking it, it'll sit right. Yeah, there you go. Looks good. It's curtains. Okay. So I'm going to do the passenger side now. Yeah, you got a pocket too. Put your weed in there. Boom. Let's see here. So this is what it's going to look like when we park. So you can't see through here, even though we'll have a sunshade. We can still do this double protection because you can see through here.